Hello to everyone and welcome back to SCM. I'm here today to share with you how our solid company is facing this challenging time. Always at our customer side, developing outstanding and state-of-art woodworking technologies. We see 2021 as a year in which to consolidate all our strategic market. The main figures and the order intake in this first part of the year are extremely positive, and opportunities and customer contacts are increasingly day by day. The initiatives and incentives to support the manufacturing industry promoted in various European countries and the rest of the world are stimulating investment in innovation. This is the right time for the woodworking industry to modernize its factories and make their processes more digital, flexible, efficient, and eco-sustainable. SCM continues to invest in technologies, services, skills, and innovation to support its customers in these projects with the smart and human factory. SCM strategy has been focused on 6 main pillars to drive its actions: safety for spaces and people at our plants all around the globe, customer support, even remotely thanks to our digital services, investments in logistics, spare parts, and service to guarantee deliveries and the completion of work plans worldwide, research and development. Our technical departments have continued to be fully operational. Skills, people, providing a solid answer with the campus activities, improving our online courses and the ones decided for our customers. Marketing. We have been pioneers with SCM Live Show, a completely new formula in our sector, a global event in live streaming in 9 languages. We are strengthening also our industrial pole. At the Sinalunga plant, the center of excellence of timber construction, we have decided to expand the industrial site by 50%. We will further consolidate the investment already set aside for the expansion of the production poles in Tiene for edge benders, Vigolzone for squaring technologies, and Villa Santa for finishing. From the last year, we have a great confirmation to keep going and even more accelerating in innovation, services, and skills. Woodworking industry is showing strength, vitality, and courage. SCM will be always close to customers. You will never work alone.